I've got this habit, and I must confess, you don't like it, sue me, 'cause I could care less. When I was a baby, they slapped my behind, and I took a deep breath, and it blew my mind. I'm addicted to breathing. I am an air addict, breathing. I just love it so. I love breathing. I'm just an air addict, breathing. Oh, you just don't know now. You can have your vodka. You can take your tea. If you like a Java, it's okay by me. But I'll tell you one time, and tell you again, there's one thing that I love, it's called oxygen. I'm addicted to breathing. An air addict, I love breathing. I love it so. I like breathing. I'm just an air addict, breathing. Oh, you just don't know. Oh, drug dealers charge me far too high a fee. But air is wonderful and still it's free. I tell you, lady, breathing air is great. So come on, everybody, hyperventilate. Oh, if you like that vino, then you check the year. I look out the window to see if it's clear. And old Mother Nature, she is on my side. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. I'm addicted to breathing. I am an air, yeah, I'm breathing. I'm an air addict, breathing. I am an air. Oh, ooh, whoa. Whoa, yeah.
I am today. I often sit and stare at the sea, and dream dreams, and hopes, and wish wishes, and lately I listen to the wind sing as it dances a beautiful dance for me. Listen to the wind sing as it dances a beautiful dance for me. I listen to the wind sing as it dances a beautiful dance for me. But these moments never seem to last, never seem to last, never last too long. 'Cause after the singing, dancing wind, after the hopes and dreams and wishes, after you and me and a stolen moment of happiness, after a glimpse at the timeless natural universe, moving in effortless rhythm, comes the stark reality of today. Today comes, grinning his fiendish, all-knowing grin. Today, his ugly face pressed firmly against mine. Today, staring at me with lifeless eyes. Today, washing away all memories of yesterday. Seas, destroying hopes and dreams, crushing wishes. Today is a killer.
There's a lesson to be learned. This lesson is not to pass judgment, to condone or condemn. is to keep your very soul from being placed under limb. It takes many years to build a good reputation. You can lose it in seconds acting without reservations. It's your choice if you want to be naughty or nice. Whether you ask me or not, I'm giving some advice. There's a lesson to be learned. If you play with fire, you might get burned. Don't be fooled into sin and shame, thinking it's the road to fortune and fame. And read the fine print before you sign your name on the straight or dotted line. Even if you get famous, you may lose your respect. You will wonder if you're protected by the Privacy Act. There's a lesson to be learned. If you play with fire, you might get burned. If your body gets hot and you're filled with desire, better be careful with whom you put out that fire. You may enjoy fulfilling your fantasy, but it may cause you years of misery. They will create a scandal if you're caught in the wrong. No skin off their backs if a beauty queen is dethroned. There's a lesson to be learned. If you play with fire, you might get burned. But if that queen gathers all the king's horses and all the king's men, pick herself up after a great fall and put our life back together again. And remember, when the bucks are high and the morals are low, no telling what exploiters will do or how far they will go. It's hard to be pleasant and positive when exploiters have your personal negative and won't let you forget that they can bring both you and your skeletons out of the closet. There's a lesson to be learned. If you play with fire, you might get burned.